This is the best of the best from Laura Geller. All the baked goods that you need, all in here. So we have blush, bronzer, a highlighter, a matte highlighter, and 3 eyeshadow shades. What I like is this is all housed in a nice cardboard box, and it's going to protect all your makeup. I'm going to start off by using the retractable kabuki brush. So with this, if you have it all the way down, it's more flexible. If you have it a little bit higher, you're going to have tighter bristles, but it's still flexible. So it's a very versatile brush to use with all of these products. I need bronzer. It's winter. I'm starting to look like I just need more color. I need warmth. So I'm going to take the brush. I'm actually going to pull it all the way down because I want to just bronze my skin up evenly. So I'm going to take this and I'm dipping it right in here. It's pigmented, guys. So you're going to take whatever you just put on the brush and you're going to tap it on the back of the hand and really work it into the brush. And I'm just going to work in little motions like that. And you can already see that it's warming up my complexion. This is never going to sit heavy on the skin. It's not going to sit dry on the skin. It's a baked bronzer. So it starts its life as liquid and it's baked. That's why it's in that powder form and it's domed. But because it started its life as a liquid, it's going to lay on the skin almost like liquid too. It's not going to dry. It's not going to highlight any texture or anything like that on the skin. It's pretty seamless. I'm going to go in with the blush. I'm just going to pull that up a teeny bit, working it right into my hand. I'm going to smile and I'm just going to tap it onto the apples of my cheeks and I'm going to blend. How pretty is that? It's all coming together. Okay, so highlighter here. We have 2. We have a shimmery one and we have a matte one. The matte one you can use to kind of brighten up underneath the eyes. So I'm going to take it's a French vanilla. I'm just going to take a little bit of like a setting brush, just like that. And I'm going to just go like this under my eyes. Do you see how that just brightened it up? It's subtle, but you can see that it brightened it up. And I'm just going to take that and take it to the other side. The other thing that you can do when it comes to a powder like that, let's say you went a little bit too heavy with your blush. You can just take that and really go over it. It's going to soften it just a little bit. So depending on how you like your blush. I love a good highlighter that has some shimmer. So I'm going to go in with the shimmery one in Portofino. Same brush, and I'm just going to pick it up. Look at that. How pretty is that? Now remember when I said these are baked, so you can play around with it and work with it. I went a little bit heavy. I'm actually going to take this brush again. Now I'm going to take it and make it a little bit tighter. And I'm really going to warm it up and blend it. So now it's not so like stark and like too much. I'm keeping it nice and natural. And like I said, I'm going to smile. It's not settling into the lines. Eyeshadows. These have to be some of the most prettiest neutrals. So I like here that we have a shimmery shadow, and I'm going to take it and I'm just going to take it across my lid. Look at that pigmentation. Anything that's shimmery like that is really going to open up my eyes. I'm going to take this one over here. This color just gives the eyes this really beautiful, like, glistening glow. So now I have 2 colors here. I'm going to take Sunstone, and I'm taking it on a crease brush, and I'm just looking forward with my eyes open. I'm just going to take it to my crease and go back and forth. This is going to give me a nice, natural definition. How pretty is that? And then if I take Almond, which is a little bit deeper, I can pop that in my crease too. And now I have more definition to my eye. You can interchange these as well. If you want to take Almond, the deeper shade, and put that on the lower lid, you absolutely can do that. You don't have to use all 3 at the same time. I'm just doing it so you guys can see how it looks. How beautiful is that? That's literally an entire face in a box. The only thing you need is a lip and mascara. So definitely cool, awesome product.